in here? Can you take a guess? What do you think it is? You just want it open? Watch out, I'll open it. It's gonna be pretty.
It's gonna be pretty.
I think you're partially right.
Wow.
Look at that. It's paper. I'm kidding.
Wow. Daddy, I got.
Ooh, buddy.
Daddy.
Ooh, buddy.
That's who's it?
Who's that?
It's oh my gosh! Somebody just did it. I should not do this. Daddy cannot do this.
We'll open it. We got some 28 scale
Dad,
stadium trucks.
wait.
We got the Fox. These are both SC28s. And then one is the Lucas oil. Well, there's a on that side, but the Lucas oil, which is pretty neat.
Daddy, what don't you that?
We're gonna open it.
It's trash? Daddy, it's trash?
What?
Daddy, it's trash?
No, it's not trash. It's not trash.
That's not.
No. I think you're really gonna like what's in here.
Wow! It's
Hold on.
big. Oh my gosh!
We got some stickers that we can put on them too, buddy.
Wow! Then we got this.
Yep. There's some stickers in that one too that we can put on. Now let's show them. Pretty neat little cars. Oops.
Like that's not that okay.
Yeah, Daddy just knocked it over. I think Daddy needs to sharpen his knife. Move your hands, please.
Say that's nice.
Probably one of the coolest things. Look at that little remote, buddy.
Look, I delete that. I delete that.
What are you talking about?
Oh no, it has battery.
Yeah, it does have batteries. These are really cool. These are really pretty cool. Also comes with batteries. Oops. Oh, putting the wrong stuff in the wrong boxes.
Oh, but I did not that okay.
It's okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
Daddy.
Look, we're probably going to beat these things up a lot worse than knocking them over.
Then I'm turn this off.
We will here in a minute, buddy.
That's orange.
Yeah, it is orange. Good job.
That's black.
No, that one's white.
That's black.
Well, yeah, that's black back there.
Oh, okay.
What do you think of your new toys, buddy? Do you like them?
They can charge.
Yep, we're going to charge them up right now, okay? Now, one thing I will say is these are incredibly small pins. Very, very, very easy to lose.
And I'm doing that. It has no battery. That it has no battery.
They have batteries.
Oh.
Yeah, they have batteries, buddy.
I want those hearts. I want those hearts. Those girl and Dale. This river are pretty. Like this, that's pretty, Daddy.
Is that pretty?
That does not this over.
It's alright.
Right.
Body's held on by 3 pins. But actually a really sturdy body for how small these are. Like I'm putting a good amount of pressure and it's not really
Bunty.
They are super bouncy, huh, buddy?
This drive. Meow. They did this drive. Meow.
It's got a little bit of suspension in the back. There's
Daddy,
nothing really in the
Daddy,
front, just the whatever
Daddy.
tension of the.
This says meow.
We're gonna race him here in a little bit. Actually, it does have real rubber tires. It's pretty neat.
They just flip over. Meow.
And there is an upgrade that you can put shocks on the front here, which I don't know if I'll go that far into it, but I think that's pretty neat.
That's good. Meow. That's good. Oh, yeah.
Neat. I don't think anybody would ever put that back in there that way.
No.
Does have a charger cord in the bottom.
Uh-huh.
Flipped it over. Does have a charger cord in the bottom.
Daddy, it just flip over.
Did it just flip over? Or did you flip it over?
Uh-huh. No.
Now this doesn't say which way
No.
the battery is going.
Daddy.
Did you flip it over again?
Uh-huh. No.
I'm gonna assume.
No.
What does it say?
Daddy.
You're crazy.
They put Betty and Dale. Daddy put Betty and Dale.
There's already a battery in it, buddy.
No.
That's another thing. These are internal batteries.
Those have no batteries.
The remote has to be off, and this obviously has to be off, but it does just plug in right in that side hole.
Daddy, just flip over. Daddy.
It just flipped over.
Uh-huh. Oh, it just flip over again.
Oh no, there's the
No, Daddy.
Hold on a second. So the battery is charging, and it shows you that on the remote there. This doesn't light up at all.
That won't be done.
Once we get these charged, we'll go ahead and give them a run, and I'll put that in here too. Alright, if you've made it to this part of the video, it seems like you liked it enough. So I'm going to give my final thoughts on this real quick. These absolutely phenomenal. I have no complaints about this at all. You can adjust how high you want the body. You can adjust how low you want the body. It does come with 3 pins. The bodies are super secure and super durable. If you've got a little one that wants to get into this hobby, these are a perfect starter. They really are. Like my son's 2. He was the one in the video with me today. He doesn't quite get the gist of pulling the trigger, speed control and all that, but he'll get into it. I grew up on 10 scales and 8 scales, so I have a little bit of experience with it. They jump really well. They ride really well. Carpet obviously is the best route so far for us. The hardwood floors, it's really slick. You can, if you like doing donuts, they are donut machines on hardwood for sure. Yeah, I think for the $60, especially on rainy days or if it's too cold outside and you don't want to do anything outside, these are an awesome go-to for doing stuff inside, especially with kids and stuff. That last slow motion jump was pretty neat. Like I said, they jump really well, they drive really well, they're super smooth. They do make upgrades for them, so you can put suspension up here if you want to. I don't think I'm going to dive that deep into it. They're really loose, but I mean, it's a little 28 scale thing. So overall review is, I think they are 100% worth the money. They're super fun to drive. They're really easy to drive. The dog has even got into it a little bit with him, which was pretty fun. Yeah, I mean, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll be sure to look at them and see what I can answer for you. But I see no reason not to get them, really. I really don't. Good learning for my son until he can get a bigger one himself. So, well, I'll eventually get him a bigger one, but I think these are a great starter for really anybody getting into the hobby too. But it's just my opinion. Well, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, they're super tiny. Perfect size. They really are. Thanks again.